Hello world, hello Philippines. Good morning. Okay, this is how Atara eating her breakfast right now. Whoa, careful baby, careful. What Atara is eating right now? Oh, it's a noodles right now. Breakfast noodles right now. You see Atara how she eats her breakfast. Oh, Atara, what is that? That's water. What are you going to water right now? Oh, it's careful, baby. Careful. This is yours. This is yours. Okay. Oh, you don't want noodles. You want water? Okay. Careful, baby. Careful. Oh, you're drinking water right now. Oh, good morning. Good morning, people. Okay, there's Atara. Okay. She's drinking water right now using spoon. Wow. Okay. We are in the kitchen right now. Say hello, baby. Say hello to your fans, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Say hello, baby. Come on. Say hello. Just careful. Okay? Oh. Wow. It's Atara drinking water. What? Okay, you want chicken right now? Okay, I'm going to get the chicken right now. Wait, Ara. I'm going to bring your breakfast right now. Oh my God, no, the chicken is there. Oh, ta-da! It's a whole chicken. That is our breakfast right now. Wow. Ooh, yo, Atara eating a whole chicken right now. Wow. That's yours, baby. That's yours. Eat all. Okay, wait. Let's